This query retrieves some DICOM images containing multiple frames. The default layout displays only the first frame from each image. We will now create a custom layout to display all the frames in each image. Add a text item to display the value from the description field. As usual, we'll need to link this text item to the appropriate field from our dataset. Next, we'll add a multi-frame image widget. We'll extend its size by dragging on the design handles. Link the image item to the correct field, and all the frames from each image will be displayed. Not all the images have the same number of frames. Let's increase the number of displayed frames. First, we'll increase the image display area. Next, we'll increase the number of rows to 2. We'll increase the number of columns to 8, to display all the frames from the first image. However, the other images that have less frames have a lot of blank space. This is because the number of frames is currently fixed at 16, which is 8 columns across 2 rows. To maximize the size of each frame and also display all the frames, set the auto-fit option to true. Now, each image displays all its frames in the largest possible size in the given area. Let's return to our results window and use this layout. You can use the same technique to display multiple frames from TIFF and GIF images. Download a 14-day trial now, and experience for yourself how SQL Image Viewer makes it easy to customize your data layout.